Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. So just a quick update. As we all know now that our NPSC prelims is on 13 December 2025. So we have around 46 to 47 days. So we thought of mentoring 100 aspirants for a course. So we are coming up with an online crash course specifically for CSET, because I do understand that many of our aspirants CSET they mark I. So every year CSET question activity na pare karne prelims we pass no hi thakibo pare. And when we compare with other subjects, alag to important nai ko abi noi. But alag kandu above average, everyone can do that one. But CSET te apni ekta bhi na pare to prelims clear no kore. So this is for those people, right? If you're a serious aspirant, then be among these 100 seats. Number to yadi digina se. If you're watching this video and if you want the course, make sure you contact the given number at the earliest. We are charging 500 rupees, and here's the deal. 500 rupees to 15 days crash course karne, if we divide by 15, then here we're getting 33.33. That means per class you are paying only 33 rupees. So if you're a serious aspirant and if you want to do well this year in your prelims, or every year CSET pra diktar pai dege gulido, make sure, I guarantee you, right, we guarantee you that through this 15 days crash course you will be able to attempt out of 20 to 30 questions which we see every year CSET question though. You will be able to attempt 12 to 15 questions, or maybe more, or maybe 10. But it couldn't know, because ekta bhi na parai ki do udwang questions parili do. But doesn't mean that apni attend kurina practice korana gulido na paribo. So you need to attend religiously. You need to watch your recording videos which we will be providing after the class, and you need to revise it. So we are planning to start the course on November 12th. But again, since out of thousands aspirants, we are providing only 100 seats. So if we get full by this week, then we are ready to start the course this week itself. So if you're watching and if you want to be among the 100 aspirants that we will be guiding for these prelims, then make sure you contact the given number at the earliest. Now, yate special focus on data interpretation, data sufficiency, statement-based puzzle in a guinaze. Will be 15 days, 15 class to ituikla discuss kurlin hoy. Definitely we will discuss these questions, these topics for maybe 3 to 5 class. But the remaining classes though, definitely we will talk about all those arithmetic, reasoning, and all those stuffs. Alright, arithmetic money, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, average, simple interest, compound interest, those things, time in work. And then we will be talking about reasoning, question can be coding, decoding, plot relation, syllogism, direction, those stuffs. So the class will be minimum of 1.5 hours. If the topics are vast, we will extend to 2 hours. Ikunoi. But every night we will be starting from 7 p.m. So looking forward to that one. Alright. So for this video, I'm here to solve the mock test 3 ka solution. So mock test 3 though, online dagishe mock test though. So data interpretation la dagishe, we have around 20 questions. So apni hum bhi dikhi na tha actually to answer to compare kuri sabi, right? We will learn from one another. So if you want this material, then I will provide you Telegram link. So you join there and you will get the material. Alright. So the first question is from bar chart. Now yade moi paratak try kore ase question to all visible hole. But apni kan bhi diktar pai thakbo pare, for which I will just read for every one of us. So the first question though, the number of students of college D is approximately less than the number of students of college E. Yate ki dikhina ase bole following bar graph shows the number of students from two streams in 5 different colleges, and the colleges are A as it do, B, C, D, E as it. So the black one, this one is science, and this is commerce as it. So here the science day we have 200, and then we have commerce day we have 100. College B day we have 400, and college B day again commerce day we have 250. Here we have 300, and commerce day we have 200. Here we have 250. Now we have here 150. Now college E day we have 350, and this is 300. So the question bro hotiya number of students of college D. College D though we have science and commerce. So college D day we have 250 plus 150, then this will give us 400. College E though kiman ba less as was if we compare D from to E. So E though kiman as though we have here 350 plus 300. So this is 650. So definitely D is less, but kiman pro less as itu diase. That means 1% pisa lagu. So kiman ba less as to yade college E is na. So college E to yade as 650. Dajun laga difference to kiman ho? Kiman ba less as college D to 250 were less as. So here 250 as percentage hote garne into 100. 0 is cancel. 5 1 5 3 times, 5 5 times. So this will give us 500 by 13. However, the answer is not here. It is an option there. So we need to divide it. 500 to 13 by divide korle. 13 3 times is 39. Here we have 1, here 1, 11. 0 now can we go to 8? Let's try with 8. 8 3 is 24, 2 in hand, 8 1 is 8, 1 and 10. So 38 point something jaze. 38 point something, though approximately it will be 38. So answer is 38. Next one. Next one is also data interpretation la family TIS. This is called caslets. So yeah, if the family is using only idea is increased by 30, what will be the average of family using only ideas and Jew only? Study the following caslets and answer the following question. In SCD, there are 12,000 families using different telecom companies that are Airtel, Jio, and Idea. So yede tinda ase. Idone yede Airtel, Jio, and Idea. So Airtel, Jio, and Idea. Airtel. Alright. I is here. And this is E. Right. Doesn't matter about the spelling. So here 28% of the family use only Airtel. So only Airtel to itu igwe. Alright, itu igwe. Imandak. So 28%. Airtel ekla chola ase. Thik ase. Family is using only Jio. That means Jio means itu ikla ase. Right, itu. This one. This one. Itu one noide. Only this one. So only Jew Julando is twice the number of family using only idea. So idea do yadi let's say x as x mane itu class de. Aro Jew ekla join do but this is twice of idea. So let's say 2x. 10% of the family use only geo and idea. So only geo and idea. Geo and idea do yede 10% ase. Itu ki koi 10%. Only geo and idea. Geo and idea boli do itu pura ase. Right, this thing. But only geo and idea boli do only this one. The number of families using only idea and Airtel port. Idea and Airtel port. So this one. Are same as the number of families using all the three telecom services that are 3%. So all sub cholado yede this one, this is 3%. Kile manale idea bhi choase, Jio bhi choase, Airtel bhi choase. That means that's it. This one is equivalent to only Airtel and idea. That means 3 is equal to 3. Same as it. Now we know. Todo to kiman thakise? 100% do 12,000 thakise. 12,000 thakise. Right. But again, question is not done. The number of family using only Airtel and Jio both are Airtel and Jio both. That means this one. Okay, Airtel and Jio. This one. It was it. We're talking about this one. Right. Are half the number of family using only Jio and Idea both. Jio and Idea both to kiman? Jio and Idea both to ki ase? Only though 10%, right? 10% la half is what? 5%. So it is sub milai na 100% hogo lagyo. So here 28% plus 5% plus 2x plus 10% plus x plus 3% plus 3% to kiman hogo lagi? 100% hogo lagi. Right, 100% as it. So plus kuri Plus crucially we have 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 5 is what? 21. 21 to the delay. This will give us 49%. Plus 2x plus 3x. 1x will give us 3x. Is equal to 100%. So 3x is equal to 100% as a minus 49% as a. Then this will give us 51%. Yade 3x as a 3 1 times 3 17 times. So x is equal to 17%, which means this is equivalent to 17%, and then this is equivalent to 2 into 17 will give us what? 34%. So it is so plus correlate you will get 100%. So if the family using only idea to kiman ase 17% ase na. So 17% means 17 by 100 into total kiman ase 100% to kiman ase 12,000. So 12,000. So here if we do by normal method, then you just cancel 2020. So here 12 into 170 ase. Yes, I mean 120 into 17 ase. So 08 ase. If you multiply it, then you will get 7000, 7 to the 14, 1 and n, 717, 8, 100, 1 2 times is 2, 1 1 times 1. So here 2040. So this is 2040, and this was increased by 30. Okay, increased by 30 video. What will be the average of family using only ideas and Jio only? Jio to kiman hobo? Jio to 2x, right, which is 34%. We got 17% as 2042 ase. Right, no? 2040 ase. I mean 2040 ase 17% though. 34 to ki ase 17 2 times. That means 34% will be double of this one or no? So this is idea laga ase. And Jio laga to kiman hobo? 34% as 34% itu la double hobo. Kile manare this is 17% as I mentioned earlier. So it into 2 times will give us what? Into 2 times will give us 4080. So that is the average hote ase. So this one will give us 2070 ase. So 2070 plus this one will give us 6150. So average to sum of observation to taju milena 6150 ase divided by what? Idea and Jio. That means 2 ase. So 2 3 times 202725. Yes, 2 3 times 20. sorry, 2 7 times, 2 3 times, 1 upper 0 evo, 2 7 times is 14, 2 5 times 3075. So we did it correctly. To yede plunder dagiji idula questions there. Right, so we are so sorry for making plunder again and again every mock. Right, so maybe we'll try, not maybe, but we will try to not make plunder in our next mocks also, so in our upcoming mocks. So yede 30754 dagiji, that will be the answer. Right, next one is from by chart browser. So yeah, what expenditure of the monthly expenditure, or what percentage of the monthly expenditure is constituted by monthly fees and cost of transports together? तो यहाँ की कॉज बोले तो percentage होती है. So let's calculate the total amount. Right, total monthly expenditure की ऐसे let's calculate it. So total monthly expenditure do यदि this is transport, इधर transport आसे 500 आसे, fee आसे this is 1500 आसे, this is books and stationery which is 1000, and this is defend. Alright, defend is 2500. So it is so plus kurle 500 plus 1500 plus 1000 plus 2500 to total monthly, right, monthly expenditure is, so plus kurle we will get 5500. So then the monthly fees and the cost of transport together, right? So monthly fees or transport kiman ho, fee or transport, fee do kiman ase 1500 ase, transport to 500 ase. So this one will give us 2000, correct? 2000 dibo. So let's calculate the percentage, right? So to find the percentage, we divide the cost, combined cost from fee and transport, by the total expenditure, total monthly expenditure, and we will multiply by 100. Kile monthly the percentage should say, so we need to multiply by 100. So combine of fee and transport is what? 2000. Total monthly expenditure is 5500 into 100. So 20 con 5 11 times 5400. Yes. So if you divide this one, you get 36 point something. 36 point something power. So here 11, 3 times is 33, 76 times will give us 66. Here we have 4 point, again 3 able, so 3 6 and 0. So this one is approximately 36.36 in a job. So approximately this is what? Approximately this is 36, hence the answer is 36%. Okay, so a pie chart gives the expenditure on 5 different items A, B, C, D and E in a household. If B, C, D and E correspond to 90 degree, 50 degree, 45 degree and 75 degree, okay, respectively, then what is the percentage of expenditure on item A? Yade item B, C, D, E la dina se, A la dina nahi, and this one is given in terms of degree. So since it's given in terms of degree, then we know degree to kya ase 360 to pura ase. So it is so plus kuri, it is so plus kuri do, this will give us 260. So 260 to minus kuri one A pasana nahi, so A will be 100 degree or no? Kila mane yadi A la nahi 90 50 45 75 B C D E la ase. So A laga to kiman ase, total day to ki minus kuri we will get 100 degree. To 100 degree to kiman percent ase ko ase. So to convert from degree to percentage, A to kiman ase 100 degree ase, out of how much? 360 degree, right? Percentage convert kore to will multiply by 100. Cancel, cancel. Yes. Then this one will give us what? Alright, let's just check it once more. Okay, 2 how much times? 1 times, 2 8 times, 2 5 times, 2 9 times, 250 times. So this will give us 250. 5 into 50 is 250 by 9. Alright, we got the answer. D. Next one. So let me read the question. I'm sure Abnion Balwan Edigo questions too. Alright. So in a cell, the following loads are to be placed. Yade load 1 as a, load 2 as a, load 3, load 4, load 5. This is Bran. Brando Maximus, right, and so on. Dignaze. Bran kan dignaze, Bruta kan dignaze, fielder, fryer, fielder, header, fryer. Price dignaze. Price to load 1 do 10,000 per ginishe, load 2 to 7,000 per ginishe, load 3 to 6,000 per ginishe, load 4 to 4,500 per ginishe, load 5 to 17,500. Question from Mangyedo, if the loads are placed by order or by product, product para place kule, then by pran para norina product para place kurina, to arrange it in terms of alphabetical order. So alphabetical order they arrange kurase. So yede fielder ase tuita, heater ekta, fryer tuita ase. So alphabetical order sab they arrange kuruli to fielder tuita ase, thik ase, fielder, FILDER. And the next will be what? Fryer, FRYER. And then the next one is heater. Acha. But yede fielder to same ase. To kun to first aibo. Dajunla machore pitore pran to ki ase. Ekta starting from M. Alright, M bra shuru kurase. Ekta to R bra shuru kurase. So M alphabet letter the M will come first, right? So M wala aibo, individually R wala aibo. Fryer debi saishuli to ekta F bra shuru kurase pran la nam do. Alag fryer to D bra shuru kurase. That means D will come first and then F bra shuru kura daibo. Heater to ekta class e tai do I bra shuru kurase. Alright. So yete kiman ase kuli to yete kiman ase kuli to we have 1000 10,000 I mean. Yete 6,000. Yade 7,000. Yade 17,500 as and this one will be 4,500. 4,500. So here they're asking us to find one item from the load placed 84th position and one item from the load placed at second position. So here first, second, third, fourth, fifth base. Second wala or fourth wala plus kulik manao 6,000 or 17,500 ase. So here this one will give us 3,000. Alright, 23,500. 23,500 will be the answer. Plus kule. Tajun plus kule 23,500 by job. Alright, next one. Next one though, in which year company suffered the lowest rate of income in population compared to the previous year. So here the line graph below shows the yearly production output of a tractor manufacturing company. So this is number of unit products as a, this is production figure as a 2015 day 500 as a 2016 day 600 as a 2017 day 700 as a 18 day 800 as a 2019 day 900 as a 2020 day 1000 as a ini as to yate saisuli to increase la saisuli to 500 per 100 dishe 600 per 100 dishe 700 per 100 dishe 800 per 100 dishe 900 bar x odiche. So mon kogo na paru. So we have to compare from the previous year. That means let's find the percentage. So 2015 though previous year compare kuli 99. So we'll compare from 2016. 2016 though 2015 bar kiman odiche. 2015 de 500 taka do 600 odiche. That means x over odiche. We'll compare from where? From the previous year, which is 2015, which is 500 on into 100. So here 2020, this will give us 20%. 20 times is 100. 2017 they check kurle. Again 600 to 700 te udishe. That means x otiaze. From 2016, right? We'll compare from 2016. That means here 600 into 100. 2020. Yede 100 by 6 kadile. 1 by 6 la fraction do percentage change kore this is 16.67%. 2018 be check kro. Right. 2018 be 700 per 800 hoise. That means x hotishe. 700 per compare kru ke liye 2017 per compare kru into 100. So here same. One yede ek par 500 ek par 600 ek par 700 ek par divide korna chahiye. 800 ek par 900 ina jao. So definitely we know now, we can say that it's 2020 though maximum as it. Alright, so 2020 will be the answer. But you just let me do it. Alright. So they 1 by 7 to kiman as 14.28% as. If we divide it 100 by 7, you'll get 14.28 approximately. 2019 dB. Yede XO as. Yes. We'll compare from 800 into 100. Then here you will get again. Katina 1 by 8 is what? 12.5%. Yes. 2020 they compare kole. From we'll compare from 2019. That means yede kiman is 900 taka do 1000 hoise. That means x hoise. We'll compare from 900 into 100. Cancel. 1 by 9 is what? 11.11% as. So it is the lowest rate of increase ko ase. That means 2020 this the lowest increase question and that's the answer. Okay. So bar chart drawn shows the percentage distribution of proteins, water and other dry elements in the human body, given that proteins correspond to 16% and water correspond to 70%. If both proteins and the other dry elements correspond to B% as ito nahi, B% as ito. Then what is the central angle of the sector represent B on the pie diagram? Oh, dig ase. So yete mohan dry element la bisabo lagyo. Right. So to find the percentage of other dry element, let's total the percentage najane. You don't 100% guido. Right. Total percentage najane. Kiman has down soap milana najane. Protein, water or dry element jane. Kiman has najane. So let's say total do 100% degree. Right. Why are we assuming 100%? Because any percent of 100 will give us any. So 100 to assume kurele pala. You can assume any number, but kita alag number assume room one calculation pishu. So here the problem states kurado cross protein to kiman ase? Protein to there's no D. Protein though we have 16%. We have water is how much? Plus. Alright, water is how much? 70%. And then the other one is dry fruit, right? Dry elements. Dry elements kiman is najane? Let's say X is equal to total to X over 9. So the X will be what? 100 there. 70 plus 16 will give us 86. So minus 86 will give us what? 14% over 9. So dry elements is 14%. So we need to calculate the value of B, right? Yes, B bisaro lago. So B to kina na pao. Kulido. Yade if both protein and other dry elements correspond to B was. So yade protein or dry elements ke B was. So let's say P% though P% is what? Protein plus tri element, which is 14. So this is 30%. So B represents for protein and tri element. Right. They are asking us to find the central angle. Central angle bisarbi kwase. So central angle bisar nemide 30% tagado degree de convert kuri na grow. 30 divided by 100 because percentage jase we need to convert into 360. So here cancel, 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 cancel. So here 3 6 are 18, 1 in hand, 3 2 is 9, 1 0, 108 degree. That's the answer. Okay. Here the following pie chart shows the monthly expenses and saving of a family. If the expenditure on the house rent is rupees 18,000 per month, house rent is what? 18,000. 18,000 I say. And the total sum of the expenditure on food and transport. That means food and transport milana ki mano quasi. So food te 30 as a, transport te 8 as a. Now we know house rent though 15% as na. 15% is equal to what? 18,000. So 1% will be what? 1% will be 18 by 15. So 5 3 times. Or let's go with what? 3. 3 5 times. 3 6 0 0 0. 5 1 times. 5 1 2 0 0. So 1% is 1,200. Food or transport milai shuli do. Food plus transport milai shuli do 30 plus 8% as a. This will give us what? 38%. So if 1% is 1,200, that means 38% will be what? 38 into 1% over. That means 1 is what? This one. So if multiply 8 2s are 6 or no? Yes, 0 0 that will say 8 2s are 16. 6 I will say. That means 6 thousand as a. There are 6 p as a, it will be as a. But this is what? In terms of third digits from the right part. You need to third wala as a. So it will be 1 0. But you can check. 38 into 1000 will give us 38,000 and 38 into will give us 76. If we calculate it, then we'll get 4560. So 4560 though by jase. So that's the answer. Okay, so calculation of apne nijo group right, multiplication group lese. But I'm just doing my own style. Now while practicing, do not use calculator, right? Calculator use kora to one algebra dela je. So na parili bhi try to practice it, right? Aste wa shuru guri guri na do definitely apni choli guri parebo. Next one is what? What is the average production of phone by all the listed company? So production of phone. Production of ki ase? Itu Taiman wala ase. This is Taiman and this is in rectangle. So Taiman dagado itu ase, aro itu ase. To the love sob la average. That means 35. Average means what? Sum of observation. Geo do 35 ase. Right. This is in terms of 1000. So 35k. Oppo do 25 plus Vivo do 20 plus MI is what? 50 plus Sony is 30. Divided by, we have how many companies? We have 5 companies divided by 5. Right. So you can plus and divide it also. But let me give you another smart approach also. If you have no time, then you just cancel it this way. 5 per kata zuri na, yade plus as na, for which we need to cut it in all the numbers. Now I know the unit digit is 5 here and 0. That means divisible by 5 to na unit digit de 5 no 0 ta gole. So kati upar ase. So 5 7 times, 5 5 times, 5 4 times, 5 10 times, and 5 6 times. So plus kuri 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 10 is what? 20, 20 plus 7 is what? 27 plus 5 will give us 32. 32k. So here 32 is the answer. Number of students of commerce stream of 5 college is approximately. So commerce to kiman ase? It was na 100 ase. Yes, 100 ase. Yade 250 ase. Yade 200 ase. No, I mean this is 250, this is 200, and this is 150, and this is 300. So plus kurle 200 plus 300 is what? 500, and then 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So total of commerce is what? 1000 ase. Approximately what percent of the total number of students of science pe calculate kor lage yedi 200 ase yedi 400 ase, that means 200 plus 400 is what? 600. 600 plus 300 will give us 900. 900 plus 250 will give us 1150, and then here 350. So 200 to 1500. Yes, science to 1500. So kiman ase gule 1000 by 1500 into 100. 20 3 times 5 2 times. Yes, 2 by 3 to kiman ase fraction to 200 by 3 gale 66.66 ina jau. So this is approximately 67%. Alright. So blunder bhi dakyo pare. So manu calculation dito time dito silly mistake bhi kai. So if you are watching this video and apni la calculation la alag mela alag kuri to, make sure you comment in the comment kuri dibi, and then I'll check it and will let you know also. Right. So I'm getting 67. So that will be the answer for now. Right. Next one. Okay. So here, if there is a profit, so if there is a profit of 25% on product A do yade, this is what it box operating tagado it market price ko ase because it's mentioned here MRP, and then niji tagado selling price dikha ase. So product A do selling price kiman dekhiche yade, this is 1 2 3 4, right? Abdyan dikibo holu yade 400 ase 600 ase 600 punctually 1 2 3 4 ase. That means here every line carries 50. That means 450, right? 450 as it do 450, right? So selling price to 450 rupees as 450 as. That means A la selling price to 450 as. Now if by selling at the rate of 450 rupees, tai 25% profit ka ase do, idula cost price will be what? That cost price to 100 ase 100%. So 100% brought 25 lap ka ase uli to 25%. That means here this will give us what? 125% or no? So 125% is equal to 450. Now, and a loss of 20% on product C. Product C to kiman ase selling price to yede opor ase. That means here 60 or 800 mature ase yede opor ase. This will give us 750. So company C to selling price to this one will give us, how much was it? 750. Only the cost price to cost price pe yede bhi 100 ase 100% ase 20% loss ka ase 20% loss 20% loss ka lita 80% hona nai. So 80% equal to 750. So yede 100% bisawar lagi utation labi. So 1% is equal to 450 by 125. Yadi bhi 1% is equal to 750 by 80 ase. 100% to cost price lushim one. Ito na yede 450 by 125 to 1% ase into 100. Yadi bhi 100% kiman ho? 750 by 80 to 1% ase into 100. Tajun la ratio dia ase tik ase. So 450 by 125 into 100 is to 750 by 80 into 100. 100 is cancelled. 0 is cancelled. 5 9 times. 5 25 times. 5 times. 5 1 times is 5. We have 3 5 6 times. 3 3 times. 3 2 times, and 3 5 times. So 3 into 16 cross multiply grow, right? Yade 3 tai ase ratio dite dakile to ni cross multiply grow paro. So 3 into 16 will give us 48. 5 into 25 will give us 125. So answer is A, this one. Next one. So this one though, it's like this. So here table below shows the daily income of 50 person in rupees. Okay, so number of person is 50 chun ase. So first 12 chun do less than 200 pa ase. First 26 chun do mane 12 chun do less than 200 pa ase. So 13 14 15 16 ina count guna jao. Alright, so 12 chun do less than 200 rupees pa ase. This is, if you do this one in terms of statistics is up to crucially though, this is cumulative frequency. Alright, cumulative frequency is to one frequency to kina basically to 12 to 200 rupees bra kom di wala pai. 250 ka bra kom di wala pa do mane 200 la upper pa 250 ra niche. Kiman chuna asuli do 12 plus how much will give us 26? This is 26, that means it is 14 ase. 12 plus 14 will give us 26. ठीक আছে, ইয়াতে 26 পৰা কিমান মানুহ দিছে 50 চুন আছে মানে এইটো 12 plus 26 plus 34 plus 40 plus 50 না নাপাৰো দে কি মানে এৰে clearly mentioned that it's 50%. So 50 তো total আছে তো এৰে 26 পৰা 34 কিমান আছে, this will give us 8 or no. So 8 chun do less than 300 paise but more than 250, right? Now here less than 350 bagando 34 over 40 means 2 chun ase. Now less than 400 but more than 350 to kiman ase, 2 chun ase. Question about this, how many person earns 250 or more but less than 350? So less than 350 250 or more only though, this is less than 300 mane upper wala less than 250 ase, that means that's 250 to 300 to na. Less than 300 mane 250 to 299, and this one is what, less than 350 mane 300 to 349. So more or less than 250 and 350 kori do tai jun hobo na nai. So 8 plus 6 will give us what, 14. Alright, so yade less than 250 mane 200 p ase 190 p asina noi de. Less than 250 mane this is 200 to 249 taka ase. Less than 300 mane 250 to 299. I mean yes, 250 to 299 in ase. So question about though 250 more or less, that means 250 more do yedi baibo yede ho 250 more yede ho, which is what, 8 ase. Aro 350 less to kiman ase, 6 chun ase. Right, that's how we got. So answer is 14. Okay, again the production of Oppo phone. Oppo phone is what, production of Oppo phone. So production is what, idu so Oppo is 25. Okay, so this is production, right? Yede sign dina dego. So 25 is approximately what percent of as compared to that demand. Demand to kiman ase, 40 ase. So 40 of that means what, we're talking about Oppo into 100. So 5 times 5 8 times. All right, so approximately they say pisa bor lagibo. So 500 by 8. Okay, so 8 how much times, 8 7 times is 56. So 8 6 times, yes, 8 6 times is 48 20 in our 8 2 times is 16.4 over 40. 8 5 times, so 62.5 is approximately what, 63 or no? That's the answer. Okay, same yadi bhi ki hote ase boli to what will be the critical angle for the expenditure on fees? Critical angle hoti ase, thik ase. So on expenditure on fees, right? So fees to kiman ase, fees to this one 1500 ase. So 1500 total to kiman hobo, itu sub plus hoile itu 500 ase, itu 250 ase, 250 2500 yede 1000 ase. So plus kule to 5500, right? Because we did this one earlier also, this is just different question. Into kiman hobo, ta degree di hote ase into 369 hobo de. First we need to convert in terms of percentage. So here cancel 5 11 times, 5 3 times. So here 300 by 11. 300 by 11 as a, so 300 by 11 though 2 times is 22, 80. 7 times is what? 77. 30.2. That means here 2 times. So 27.2 in a jabo. So 27.27 in a jabo. 27 in a jabo. Because 330 base euro again 80 euro 7 times jabo. So this is equivalent to 27.27%. Now to convert this 27.2% into degree, convert kogule to 27. Yes, 27.27 though divided by out of 100% or no. We need to convert in terms of 360. So point yete ase 0 to the talile aro yete ho. That means 0.2727 into 360. So now let's multiply. Right, if we multiply it then here 2727 as a 360 as a. Forget about the point now. Point to chart out as a 0 0 0 0. 6 7s are 42, 4 in hand, 6 2 is 12, 16 1 in hand, 6 7s are 42, 43, 4 in hand, 6 12, 16. 3 7s are 21, 2 in hand, 3 2 is 6 7, 3 7s are 21, 2 in hand, 3 2 is 6 7. Oh, this will give us 8. So here 2 was a 0 over yede. This one will give us what? 7 as a, this will give us 0. This will give us what? 8. Yes, and this will give us 9 or no? Right, I think we did a blunder also. But anyway, yede gurilivi chutu mudu ikta dakyo. Alright, we're getting 98. 0 to point to dalile 1 2 3 4. That means 1 2 3 4 8 point over. So 98 point something has a 98 point something to guess a 2 class. So that's the answer. Alright, definitely we did a blunder here. Calculation keep a kaldi dayo. Alright, correct it for yourself. I know that and I believe that multiplication is chane dayo. Right. So next one. The average of balloons sold by Jandu on Monday. Jandu do is here Monday to kiya 25 was it? Asha on Tuesday is what here 45. And then Bula on Saturday. Bula is where on Saturday is what this one. So average should I say? So average will be what? 45 plus 20 plus 25 divided by 3. So here 50 plus 40 will give us 90 by 3 will give us 30. So this was very simple. 30 is the answer. Next one. Okay. So here let's just bring opore mon into green as a case. Let's stop opore mon kurishe. So let's just screenshot that one and take it outside. Yes, this one. So okay, so now we have the same gaslets here, this one. Okay, so let's read the question. Which telegram company has the highest number of user? Highest number of user mane Airtel do 28 plus 5% plus 3% plus 3%. So here kiman hobo? This will give us 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 will give us 11. Yes, 11. So 11 delay, this will give us 39%. Jio do kiman 34 plus 10 is what? 44 plus 3 47. 47 plus 5 will give us what? 52%. Yade 17 plus 10 will give us 27. 27 plus 3 is what? 30. 30 plus 3 is what? 33. So who has maximum? Jio, right? Then the answer is Jio. Balloons sold by Bula on Sunday. Bulla on Sunday is where? Bulla on Sunday is what? 25. Is what percent means divided by balance sold by Asha on Tuesday. Asha on Tuesday is how much? 45. So divided by 45 into 100. 5 times, 5 9 times. Yes. Then this will be 55%. You can just check. If you're familiar with the fraction, 1 by 9 to kimana say? 11.11%. That means here if you multiply by 5, this will give us what? 5 by 9. And here we will multiply by 5. Then here this becomes 55.55%. So 55.55% is 56 9. So approximately 55. Alright, it will not be. You can just do this way. 500 by 9. Just cancel it. You will get, oh, 55.55 is there. So answer is this one. Alright, this is another one. Next one. On which product highest discount in percent is given? So this one though, we need to find in all the units. So company A, B, C, D, E as a itu kurishe upper wala do market price ase, niche wala do selling price ase. Discount dishe mane company A de. Market price kiman dekhe? Market price to company A laga market price is ede 600 ase. ठीक है. So market price पर हम one discount दिशे बोली तो selling price होना नहीं. Discount दिखी ना बिक्री करा से तो बिक्री करा selling price ऐसे. But discount दिया से कौन पर compare करो market price किमान पैसा लिखी ना तक से ताती पर हम one customer की तो इमान % discount दिया से कोना one कोता को किले मानले cost price नले भी one लाभ का ऊपर कोता न हो तो. So here market price पर हम one discount तो compare करे. So market price तो 600 ऐसे. नीचे market price है वो ऊपर दे selling price तो दाजुन किमान discount है ये दे selling price is how much? This is 450 है 450 and this is 600. So किमान discount है 150 discount है नहीं 150. Yes, into 100. 51 times 15 4 times. So 4 how much times? 25%. Next one 4B. Yeah, this is what? This is 750. And this one is 500. Right, this one is 900 and this one is 750. This one is 600 and this market price is 800. Company E ka selling price is middle, so this is 900. And this one is 1200. So market price is 1200. So we need to compare everything. So the market price is 750 for company B. ठीक है 750 ऐसे. तो 750 वर्क किमान discount है 250 rupees or no? 250 into 100. So here 0 25 1 times 25 3 times. That means here 100 by 3 will give us 33.33%. So highest discount to guess so far B is leading. Right. C. Well, yeah, the E na option de to E to check no grow come in. So C check grow. C do 900 actually. Market price to किमान discount दिशे 150 discount दिशे ना नहीं in 100. 0 cancel 51 times 15 4 times. No 15 6 times I mean. 4 times to 60 as a 6 times. So 100 by 6 will give us 16.67 as a. So it doesn't lage. So far B is leading. D check row. D check row बोले तो 800 तक market price तो किमान discount दिशे 200 discount दिशे into 100 4 times. So this will give us what 25%. So who is leading? B is leading. Yes, B has what 33% discount दिशे. That's the answer. Okay. So the company achieved the highest margin of return for the products. So here the histogram, alright, this is histogram as a partition as a but it sample alak tigina go. That's called histogram, right? And we even solved this histogram though in class 9-10 la statistics paper de, right? Craft decoration. So histogram below shows the cost price in Indian rupees, selling price in Indian rupees, and number of unit sold from left to right. So this is 50 to kya is 50 as a 50 as a this is cost price as a 100 to selling price as a and this is number of units sold. that means number kiman chuna je kiman unit sold krise right so 300 units sold krise edu nishina je b1 b2 b3 b4 aje so then they are asking us to find the highest margin lola so b1 though b1 is this one tai cost price 50 rupees takise selling price to kina dam to 50 ra kinise bikiri gram de 100 per bikiri kurse that means profit to kiman ho we're talking about profit of 50 rupees kaise no yes because tai cost price to 50 ra kinise bikiri gram de extra ra kinise that means 50 labh kaise b2 de 75 per kinise right here this is 75 b2 though this is 75 cost price though selling price to 125 per bikiri kurse to kiman labh kaise 50 rupees labh kaise na nai 125 minus 75 b3 kina dam to extra per kinise bikiri gram de 150 that means labh pi aro 50 kaise b4 125 per kinise 175 per bikiri kurse that means it will be 50 labh kaise all right now itu labh kaise iman labh kaise yes so this is the profit or no profit ase but p1 de one saman de kiman bikiri kurse 300 saman bikiri kurse to yadi ekta saman de 50 rupees labh ka asile to into 50 korle kiman pa jay 1500 no 1500 yes yadi bi kiman saman yadi bi 300 sob 300 ase that means every sob pi 1500 labh ka ase na nai yes even if we don't solve it now because it 50 rupees unit ekta de 50 rupees labh ka ase 300 saman sam bikiri kurasule to 300 into 50 so everything is what 350 ase yadi bi 350 300 into 50 ase so tai labh to 1500 to b1 b2 b3 b4 de sob de equal ka ase holi yadi margins habo goli to mohan khud pa sai goli to cost price into 300 units kinise so 300 units kinya laga to cost price selling price mon labh kala noina yade for this p1 do mon 50 rupees kinise na ekta de so kinya dam to kiman kine so 50 into 300 will give us 1500 yes but again all right that's a wrong concept yate margins holi to we will check not from the cost price but we will check from the selling price so labh bikiri kora to mohan 100 over bikiri kora jay 300 do bikiri kurchile to capital bi ase tadi profit bi ase because selling price to tadi capital bi ase profit bi ase so 100 over bikiri kora jay ekta de 300 bikiri kule kiman bo 3000 right one profit kiman kaise p1 sob te 1500 kaise so here yade margins how only though b1 laga margin right p1 laga margins ase de dia margins ase mi kina sai guli do p1 do tai total profit kiman paise 1500 paise na nai cost price ekta saman de 100 ba bikiri kurase yade 100 dikina ase kiman saman dakise 300 cancel 1 times 20 times alright this is 1500 no now 15000 ase we missed 1 0 here because we have 3 0 so it is 0 ekta to cancel kore ase so it 1 by 2 is what 0.5 ase p2 lagabi labh to kiman dakise 15000 dakise yes 1500 no ide 15000 dakise tai selling price kiman ase 125 ase ekta de kiman bikiri kurse 300 so 2 ta 0 3 1 times 3 5 0 5 10 times 5 2 5 5 2 times 5 5 times so 2 by 5 is what 0 by 4 ase 2 by 5 to 0 by 4 ase kati sabi 2 by 5 to kati sabi you get 0 by 4 p3 though p3 to ete be 15000 labh ka dakise sob to 15000 profit dakise to overall de yede 150 ba bigir kurse ekta de 300 20 20 10 10 15 15 cancel 1 by 3 is what 0.30 if you convert in terms of percentage. Yes, 0/3 ঠিক আছে. Now P4 টো কিমান লাগিছে 15000 লাভ কাইছে divided by একটা সামান্য 175 বিক্রি কৰিছে into 300 লাগিছে 20 cancel 3 1 times 3 5 0 5 10 times 5 3 times is 15 and 5 5 times 5 2 times 5 7 times 2 by 7 to kati 7 2 by 7 to katile 0 point 0 so 2 times is 14 so 0.2 আছে 0.2 something আছে সবচেয়ে highest কিমান আছে b1 আছে নহয় b1 is the answer because b1 is what 0.5 so that's the answer. So we have the last question. Find the ratio of the sum of balance sold by Jandu on Sunday. Jandu on Sunday is what? Jandu on Sunday is 4 is here. Oh, this is Saturday. Okay. So Saturday 45 was it? Not this one. And Tuesday. Tuesday is where? Tuesday is here. So 45 plus 35 will give us what? 80. And to that of the balance sold by Pula. Pula is where? Here. Saturday Sunday. Saturday Sunday means what? Into the plus score. Like what? This is 45. 5. 1 times 5. 5 6 times. 5 9 times. 16 by 9 is what? Is to 9. This one. Alright. So that's all for this video. Mock test. I think 20 questions tagishe. I believe. Message novena Kurina dago pare. Right. But in case if there's blunder, it happens. Calculation there. So make sure apni check kuri sabi calculation though. Right, so I'll see you in the next video. Alright, maybe the next mock test or maybe I'll bring up another target video. Alright, so don't forget, if you're an aspirant and if you want to be a part of the 100 seats, then make sure you contact the given number as soon as possible. Right, thank you for watching and study well.